Hello, this is Stacy Johnson with SF Johnson Consulting and Construction Services. And in this small class, we are going to discuss the shear wall plan in the structural set. Now, the shear wall plan is basically just additional framing that we put over our uh, load-bearing walls to shore it up and to help prevent the building from falling due to shear winds and earthquakes and things of that nature. So the shear wall plan is pretty simple. Where in this on this set they note them as P1 and P2, and they show you exactly where they should go. So it's really simple. Where P2 goes here, just this length of the wall, that length of the wall. P1 goes in 3 locations on this side, right side, and then this wall on the left side. So it tells you the configuration of each of the shear walls. It indicates one side of the wall to receive 15/32-inch sheathing fastened with 8D common nails, 3-inch on center. So 8D is the size of nails, and they're just telling you to place them every 3 inches at the panel and boundary edges with 1/2 and 12 inches off center at the inner supports, and then additional 3x6 studs at the edges. Okay, so it's really simple, and P2 incorporates some LVL beams with 2 rows of 16D sinker nails at 16-inch off center at panel edges. Okay, so shear walls really just additional framing over your load-bearing walls to help strengthen the wall. And so here on this set, this indicates a hold down. So they have A, B, and C. And so you can identify each one and, come up with a pretty good material quantities list. So shear walls is probably the easiest thing you'll ever have to determine. And the length of the height of the wall is usually the height of the building, right? Or above. So you'll check the section views, and there should be a detail. It should give you a detail there. It should be a detail sheet to tell you the configuration, even more of an elevation view of the shear walls. Okay, so that is the shear wall plan. Very simple, very easy additional framing that goes over your load-bearing walls to strengthen them, to prevent the building from collapsing due to wind and earthquake shears. So if you need any additional help, please feel free to sign up at our website at www.S as in Sam, F as in Frank, Johnson Consulting.com, where we will set up online office hours for you to help you a little more if you do need it. But once again, thanks for joining, and I will see you at the next class.